My name is John Hudson. I work for Bayram Timber and I'm a production manager in the crosscut mill. The products that we produce varied from milling timber, full packs, down to cross-cutting it to particular lengths for varied customers. Anything that wants cut into length, we'll cut it and pack it how they require. We've been operating since 2001 as Bayram Timber. And the things that set us apart are the kit work we do for caravan companies, very bespoke kits, packing the finished product exactly how they require it so they can build things exactly off the pack in that order. Going back to 2001, we had the basic automatic crosscuts, but over the years we've improved and got better and better and bought the more advanced machinery to improve production and accuracy within the work. Crosscutting methods we currently have is a very wide range, from straight crosscutting down to any angle that is required on any piece of timber. The Salvador, it is more advanced for what we want. There was a few key jobs we was looking at to take off of the machines, like our double-ended tenon. So the Salvador actually takes that away and does it all on the same piece at the same process through the same operation, and it'll do all 4 angles for us, which obviously saves a lot of time and effort and cost. Also, the speed of it improves the speed of the processes, so instead of taking X amount of hours, say 5 hours, we've reduced it to say 3 hours. We've had the Salvador since July, and the impact is, again, basically what we've just said. The accuracy is fantastic. We've had no problem with it. It's brilliant. Compared to the other ones we've got, you can rely on it. If you put size in, it comes out with that size. The machine itself is fantastic. A maximum of 2 people on it, 1 operating it and feeding it, and 1 helping him take the larger stuff off. It's the best machine we've got at the minute, crosscut-wise. It's better than the other 18, without a doubt.